Hello friends, this is Chauhan from Bonsai Hunter. Today I am going to show you my adenium collection. Friends, this is the wow factor of adeniums. I love the different colors flowers. All the adeniums are grafted except a few. Have a look at this. I love these flowers. As you can see friends, I have got many varieties and styles of adenium plants. I have got a mame. I love semi-cascades. This one is also semi-cascade. This one is sumo. This is windswept style adenium. I love this adenium. I have got another semi-cascade. Wow! These are multi-petal rosy adenium. I will show you the trick how to grow big bulbs on adenium. So stay tuned. This is a straight trunk. Have a look at this bulb. Another cascade adenium have got a elephant-like trunk. I love this creature. Another straight trunk bonsai. Full cascade. It is rising very fast and it is more than 30 degrees centigrade at my place. So I have started pruning my adeniums. Today I will be back. Goodbye.